Hi guys! So I want to change my vision board habit trackers. I want to group tasks because every card is a habit and I want to do habit stacking. So I grouped my cards and now I have to put 3 stickers on one card that tell me what I want to do in this part of the day. Like, for example, this is my morning routine and it says breakfast is sugar-free and hiking guide. This is photos, text and links, and social media. I post on Insta and TikTok. And after that, grocery shopping. And then I have to put my new links and photos on Sugar Free Happy Life, where I collect all the places where you can eat something or drink something without sugar. So what I need is one of my cards and then my printer and my app. So in the app I will choose the right stickers, and for breakfast I already put one which is, it's not possible because it's a photo of not sugar-free things. I can't use that. So I will start again and put some sugar-free breakfast on a sticker. And what else do I need? I need the hiking guide. This is an extra sticker. Insta and TikTok is an extra sticker. And the grocery shopping I can combine with the breakfast because it's also sugar-free. And then the sugar-free happy life I can put on the sticker that says breakfast and grocery shopping without sugar. Yeah. So, the first one. So I need something that is sugar-free for breakfast. Yes. This one. And then I need... Okay, I have to change because it's better to have 6 photos so that I can put everything that I can eat, that I can buy in the supermarket. I had some. Yeah, I know what the problem is. They are old photos and they are always they are sorted by date, but recent. Yeah, so I will put all those recents into a folder and the frog. I think that's all. My car. Bathing. I think that's all. Add to album. New album. Today. Okay. So. Try it again. All photos. Today. Good. Healthy food. Sugar-free food. This one. And here. I have to leave out something. The lemonade. So that I have the fruit. Or I leave out that, because I could also have only coffee for breakfast. So I need a picture of coffee. I had a big coffee today. Where is it? It's here. But I have to duplicate it and then only use the coffee. Because the cake is not healthy. And put that into the Today album. And now where's that coffee? Why does it look the same? Restart the app. So I need the coffee. Here. Always restart the app. Huh? Oh no, it's not all photos. It's today. Why does it take so long? No. Coffee. But no cake. Bread, yogurt, fish, fruit, vegetables. And a border in red. Why is it so thick? Okay. And I will put the text sugar-free happy life on it. Sugar-free happy life. WordPress.com. That's my new homepage. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. No stickers needed, it's enough. And I have to do that so many times because I have so many tasks. I don't know why it's not bigger. 5. It will be okay, but it doesn't look so much. Okay, so that's the breakfast card, which I don't have to use anymore now. And I will put the hiking guide and the social media on it. And the grocery shopping is with it. And sugar-free happy life. I will complete that one and I will do the other ones later. So just make the same ones. Which one is missing? The Spanish one. Why is it so hard to find those photos? There it is. And then social media, which is TikTok and Instagram. No, it's not 6. 2. I don't need anything more. I know what it means. good. And so it's hard. Everything is hard, really hard. So it fits perfectly. So this is my morning routine. And now I just need the habit trackers on the back. And I will use those. And I will start tomorrow because today is already over. And I'm a Monday starter, so that makes sense. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And today's date is today is the 19th, so tomorrow is the 20th of May still. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I think it's better if I put all the dates of the week, if it's a daily task, so that I know, okay, I have to do it every day. And as it includes supermarket and bakery or cafeteria, I can't buy anything which is not sugar-free, because it says it's for my sugar-free happy life wordpress.com, and on this blog I can only put sugar-free things. And then the hiking guide and the social media, and I have to combine the morning task with the links. I have to do 2 or 3 days a day of links from December, so that I can do a daily one for January. And yeah, it's just because I procrastinated on that. So, what do you think of that? I think the vision board habit tracker is a wonderful card which reminds me what to do in the morning. I think it's good that all the morning tasks are on one card, because it's habit stacking, and then it's easier to do all those tasks because it's always the same. And I will do that with the other cards as well. I wish you a wonderful day. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see the rest of the habit tracker vision boards, and check out the link in the description where you get your free guide in 6 languages. I wish you a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye bye.